Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Paul Academy. Today I discuss regarding trial balance. First of all, what is trial balance? Trial balance is like a statement where we put all the balances of the ledger accounts. That is basically after preparation of ledger account, balances we put into a trial balance. If trial balance tally both the side, debit as well as credit, then we hope that our transaction posting are right. Okay, take a question on trial balance. From the following ledger balances, prepare trial balance as at 31st March 2023. Various accounts balance is given. First of all, we discuss regarding trial balance format. Here, in the books of ... in the place of ... we'll put those books we maintain. After that, trial balance as on 31st March 2023. Name of accounts, amount rupiah debit, amount rupiah credit. First entry, capital. Capital account balance is always credit balance. For that reason, we put here in credit column 50,000. Why we put it credit column? Because if capital comes, if cash comes from proprietor, then journal will be cash account debit to capital. We open cash account, we'll write to capital. When we write capital account, will be put by cash account. If we close this capital account, then balance BD will come in capital account credit side. For that reason, capital balance is always credit. When we close our cash account, then balance BD will become in debit side. For that reason, cash always comes into a debit column. Okay. Next, machinery. This is the assets. Asset always debit balance. For that reason, machinery 25,000 in debit column, furniture 7,000 into a debit column, stock on 1st April 2022, that is opening balances of stock, always a debit balance. One thing, remember that closing stock always we put in credit column. Next, purchase debit balance always, because any transaction happen, purchase account debit to creditors. Then purchase, in purchase account we will put two creditors, and after CDBD, PD will come in debit side. For that reason, purchase account 28,000 in debit column, and in creditors case, creditors column we write by purchase. After CDBD, balance will become, BD balance will become in credit side. And steps just like same in case of sales, debtors account debit to sales. When you open a sales, by debtors will be right. Basically, in sales account, BD will become in credit column, credit side. And debtors, in debtors account will be put to sales. So basically, in debtors account, BD will become in debit side. Next, carriage inward. Carriage inward denoted if we purchase any kind of raw material, if we bring from port to our factory. For that reason, if we paid carriage, then this carriage we called carriage inward. This is expenses. Expenses always debited 1,200. After the carriage outward, what is carriage outward? Carriage outward just like a carriage, but this is basically carriage we pay when we serve or we send finished goods from our factory to customer door. For that reason, if we pay carriage, that carriage we call carriage outward. This is basically expenses 2,100. Next, wages 3,300 expenses, salary 1,400 expenses, insurance 500 expenses, postage and stationery, postage stamp, stationery expenses just like a pen, pencil, like that. This is expenses 600, advertisement 1,500, creditors we already discussed that creditors always credit balance 22,000, Debtors, this is also this is assets. For that is 11,500. This is our debit balance. Discount allowed. Discount allowed always expenses, because if we allow discount, then this amount will lose. For that reason, this is one type of expenses. For that reason, discount allowed always debit balance. Discount receipt. Discount receipt, one type of income. For that reason, discount receipt always credit balance 700. Next, this is continuation part here. Interest 800. This is also debit balance, because if we pay interest, these are expenses our point of view. For that reason, interest always debited. Next, interest receipt. This is our income. Income always credited. For that reason, 1200 credit balances. Bank loan. Bank loan always liability. One thing remember, that liability always credit balance, assets always debit balance. For that reason, bank loan 15,000. This is our liability. For that reason, this is credit balance. Investment. Investment one type of assets. Assets always debit balance. Whatever we say earlier. For that reason, 20,000. This is our debit balance. Written in word that denoted our sales return. If we sell something, then return whatever happened, that is we call sales return or return inward. Return inward always debit balance. For that reason, this is 200, we write in debit column. Return outward, this is we call purchase return. Here if we purchase something from someone, if I return back to them, this return we call purchase return or return outward. This balance always credit balance 300. Delivery VAT, this is one of the assets. Assets always debit balance 12,000. Delivery expenses, if we deliver some goods to customer, whatever expenses happen, this expense we call delivery expenses. For the reason, this is expenses. For the reason 1700, that is our debit balances. After put it, we sum up debit column amount from here to here, and also is a continuation, but here we get 1,36,200. Again we sum up in credit column 15,000, 47,000, 22,700, and so on. After that, whatever amount come, we sum up, then we get 1,36,200. Here we observe that both the side, debit as well as credit, both the side are tally. So we hope that our trial balance are all right. Okay. This is our today discussion regarding trial balance. If anyone have any doubt, any query, you can comment. If you feel that my video is good, then please share my video among your friends. Subscribe, comment and share. Thank you for the watching.